Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're here because you're trying to figure out a way to decompress the cylinder on your brake caliper, well, you're at the right place because I'm going to show you how easy it is. And you don't have to have any special tools. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in. So let me show you an easy way to decompress your cylinder on your brake caliper. Okay, you see what I have here. You probably think this is silly. But actually it's pretty genius, if I must say. Is take yourself an old pipe wrench. Most likely you have a pap or somebody you know that has an old pipe wrench laying around. The key is to push back the cylinder evenly. You can use a set of channel locks such as this, but I'm here to tell you there's a good chance of damaging it if you use one of these, because I've done it before. The best thing to do is, now this one here is a 24-inch. I opened it up all the way and then took a piece of wood and put it between the teeth of the pipe wrench and put a piece of wood between there and the cylinder itself. Grabbed a hold of one top and then we're going to tighten it slowly. Now you can see this piece of wood is against the housing here, so you know that the cylinder is in the whole way. So now this comes off. So it's that simple. Literally only took a minute or two. If that took longer to get the tools out than it did to actually do the decompressing of the cylinder. If you don't mind giving this video a thumbs up on your way out if you saw it helpful, now you can get back to finishing your brake job. You have yourself a great day, and we'll see you the next time.